Local AI is a very fascinating thing, but it lacks some basic features in it. Also, while Ollama can do a pretty good job, you are still missing out with the potential that it has. This is where OpenWebUI comes in. It gives you this type of interface with full features filled in and works with Ollama. It's so amazing that you can even access your local AI from other devices, on the local network of course. But if you stay till the end of this video, I will also show you how you can access your local AI from anywhere in the world, which is somewhat a crazy thing to do. Let's get started. The first thing that you need is Ollama. Download and install it. Then download any model that you like. Watch this video for more information. This is where you can directly access the local AI. However, we aim to have a proper UI for it. To achieve this, we need OpenWebUI, which is an open source web-based user interface for managing and interacting with the language models. There are various ways you can install it. You can check this official documentation. I am going to install it manually. For that, we need Python installed. Make sure that you need to install Python version 3.11. as other versions won't work. While installing, checkmark this box which says add python.exe to path. Now open CMD and run this command to install OpenWebUI. Once installed, run this command which initiates OpenWebUI. Go to this link localhost:8080. This is where the user interface comes in. Simply sign up and you are ready to go. The first account you log into will automatically become an admin account. This also has an admin panel from where we can manage all the accounts, but more about that later. You can choose any model from your installed models and get started. This interface is much more user-friendly than the command line and is packed with features like edit, copy, read aloud, like or dislike, continue and regenerate. Not only can you record your voice to send a message, but also you can have real-time conversations. Can you see this add icon? You can add your files, which AI will analyze to summarize text, highlight main points and much more. We can add images here. But we will require an AI model capable of analyzing images. There is one such model known as Llama, which has this capability. So I am going to use this. Let's add an image here and ask it what's in this image. Here is the answer. You can also attach a PDF file and it can summarize the text in short. OpenWebUI can also be used on devices on the local network. To do this, get the IP address of the device you have installed OpenWebUI on. Open CMD and type ipconfig. This is what we want, an IPv4 address. Type this address in the address bar and then type :8080. After you create the account, it will say this account activation pending. To add the new user, go here to the admin panel where the new user will be listed. Click here to add them as a user or admin. You can also remove the user, edit their username and see their chats. Just click on check again and it should open up. This will only work on the local network, but let's get creative. How about accessing local AI, which is hosted on your home server but can be used from anywhere in the world? Yes, there is a way you can do it. It can be done by tunneling local services to the internet. ngrok is a tool that allows you to do this, but there are many other alternatives. What it does is generate a link like this, through which you can access your local host. So go to its website and sign up for free. This needs an additional layer of security for which you can use any authenticator app such as Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator. In this case, in the Google Authenticator, click this add icon and scan the QR code. Click next and type the 6-digit code displayed on the app here. Save this recovery code somewhere so that you can recover your account if you lose access to it. Click finish and continue. Go here to the download tab and download the zip file. Extract the zip file and open it up. Now copy and run this command here. Also run this command after that. You can see that this link will navigate us to our local host even if we are not on that network. Copy this link and paste it into the address bar and click on visit site. This can be incredibly effective when used with a home server running 24/7. In fact, it is meant to be used this way. In this way, you can experiment with different AI applications and customize your own setup without relying on external services while also maintaining privacy. Thanks for watching.